Hey, Jonathan Dunkerley here, and today I wanted to talk to you about how you could make 100 YouTube Shorts super fast using AI. Using a tool like this to create IG Reels, Facebook Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts is an amazing way to get leads to your offers, to your email list, or whatever you are trying to promote. We're going to create shorts like what Chase has on his YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how. So let's dive right in. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is grab ShineRanker. It's the tool that we are using in order to create these AI videos, and you can grab that at ShineRanker. The price is always going up, so I'd make sure that I get locked in at their current price. Once you are in ShineRanker, I would recommend the first place to go would be the ShineRanker VIP. This is where all your questions will be answered. There are tutorials on the fast track, setting up all these different automations and these tools that you could use to use ShineRanker to make these shorts that make you money. But then we're going to go back up here to the AI video tools. We're going to click that. And there's two options in here right now. There's the AI text to image, and then there is a new tool that is in beta called the video enhancer. So we're going to look at the video enhancer today. So we're going to go down here and click use tool. So as you can see, I've already generated a couple videos using this tool. And what this is I can go over here to Chase's YouTube channel, for example. And if I wanted to just grab one of these videos, I'll just pick one at random. Oh, I'll pick this one. How about this one? So I'm going to click this one. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab the share link for the YouTube video and hit copy. And I'm going to go back over to ShineRanker. And then I'll go to this tab right here at the top where it says insert a valid source link, such as a URL for a short, video, or reel. So I'm going to paste the YouTube short right here. And then I am going to go down here to the bottom. We have a couple different things. We can say enhance script. What that does is it will rewrite the script so it will be unique and not just a copy of the link that you just dropped in. If you clicked original script, it would just be the original script that was dropped in. It grabs the transcript and it would just reuse that transcript. But if you want it to be original, click enhanced script. Then down below, we have a couple more options. We have video, which video style. We have default, which would be more like one of these videos right here. And then the other option is cartoon, where you're going to get something more like this, where it is a little bit more cartoony. Now below that, we have captions. If you would like to not have captions, you could easily do that and it will just create a video without captions burnt in. So the next thing that we're going to do is add animation. So I'm going to play a little tiny bit of this video that I've already generated so you can see what I mean by animations.
Unleash the power of AI and create compelling videos in an instant.
As you can see, it adds motion to the video instead of it just being a static video. So if you turn animations on, you're going to get that little bit of an animation. And now let's go over to the next tab. So avatars are just a little bit different. So if I toggle on avatar, I could add in a HeyGen API key. And you can get your HeyGen API key by just clicking this link right here where it says HeyGen API key. So with HeyGen, you could add in avatars like this into your video, similar to what I did in this one that I posted on Facebook, where I have a photo of myself that I turned into one of these avatars and then used ShineRanker to create the video and then add it in captions and have my call to action. If you wanted to add that in, you would just go and add in your API key right here, and HeyGen will give you a trial API key that you could run through the system and see how it works without actually signing up. And all it will do is it will put a watermark on your video. So the next one we have to look at is voices. So under voices, we could either leave the custom voices turned off and have access to all of these built-in voices, or we could turn custom voices on and we could add in a 11 Labs API key. And what we could do with that is if I wanted to clone my own voice and then maybe I used one of the avatars and cloned my face with one of the avatars, then I could have an 11 Labs API key with my voice, and then I could have a HeyGen API key that will give it an avatar of me, and I could have myself in the video. So if you wanted to have your own voice, just go to this link right here where it says 11 Labs API key. And once you've set up an account with them, you can go to your profile picture in the top right corner and you could find your API key under profile. But if you didn't want to use your own voice, you could always turn custom voice off. And then we're going to just go with Rachel, but you could choose any other voice that you want. Now under the last tab, it is music. I'm going to click music. And right now it selects no music. I'm going to click unlock me. And if I wanted to sample it, I just click this little play button. And then if I'm happy with that song, I could just double check all my settings. I want it to be a cartoon. I'm not going to have a custom avatar in this video. I'm going to use Rachel as my voice. And then I'm going to use Unlock Me as my music. and then I'm going to use this short as my transcript. When I am ready, all I need to do is hit generate video. Now it's started to generate a video. You can grab 100 of Chase's links and you could drop them in here one at a time and just hit generate, and it will generate a completely unique video. Or you could just say, hey, you know what? I have all these settings, and it's going to reword and create a custom original video every single time that you hit this generate button, even if it's already generating a video from that same exact script. I'm just going to go ahead and click generate again, and it started to generate another completely unique original video. Now, again, I can just keep on hitting this again and again and again, or I can go back over to Chase's YouTube channel and I can just pick another video at random. And I'm going to click the share again, and I'm going to click copy. And then I'm going to go back over to ShineRanker, and I'm just going to replace this link. And if you ever want to mix it up, you could do minor changes, like why don't we change the song? I'm going to pick Relaxed Night on the Street. We have a different song, and I could even change the voice. We have Rachel. Why don't we try a different voice? Why not Josh this time? And if we wanted to, we'd have some with our avatar. We could change the avatar. It could be a built-in avatar that has one of the ones that come with HeyGen. There's so many different options. And then I can go to video. Maybe I didn't want it to be a cartoon this time. I'll go to default, and I'll leave the animations and the captions. I'm gonna hit generate again, and let's see what happens. Okay, so now my 3 new videos have generated, and I could take a look at this one, and these 2 were made with the same exact video. So I'm gonna click this.
Hold that thought. If you've yet to earn over $1,000 a day with AI, seize this moment and indulge in this video. Today, I'm unveiling a foolproof strategy to earn money utilizing a single AI tool. Start by securing this elite tool available at scarytoolbots.com, the platform we're promoting. Avail a free checklist when you sign up as a partner and get handsomely rewarded for endorsing diverse tools. Proceed to ShineRanker.com and register for their trial. Wondering what the tool entails? You're about to experience it. Hover over AI video tools and select text to image. Type in your desired content in the given space. For a more personalized touch, click Advanced Options and script your own narrative. This is your platform. Use it to sell tools from the checklist and turn visitors into customers through your promos. Then click Generate Video. Witness how ShineRanker crafts a unique video with a single click, easing your promotional strategies. Wish to learn more about this? Respond in the affirmative, and I'll promptly send over detailed training to guide your journey.
And that was that video. And now let's check out what other video we created just by hitting the generate button again with exactly the same settings and the same link.
Have you started generating more than $1,000 daily using AI? If not, keep everything else on hold and join me in this exclusive video. Today, I'll be unveiling a systematic approach to profiting from a unique AI tool. Your first step? Head to scarytoolbots.com, where we feature the tool you'll need. Get hands-on our complimentary checklist and sign up as a partner for free, earning by promoting a variety of tools. Afterwards, navigate to ShineRanker.com and sign up for their trial. Here's what the tool interface looks like. Click on AI Video Tools, followed by Text to Image. The stage is all yours now. You can customize your content, typing in whatever you want. To personalize it further, go to the Advanced Options and plug in your script. That's your shot at endorsing tools from our checklist, alluring others to click on your link, and then hit Generate Video. Watch how ShineRanker transforms your content into a compelling video with just a single click. If you'd like a comprehensive training guide showing how to commence with this, drop a yes, and it will be in your mailbox right away.
So now those 2 videos were generated with the same link and all the same settings, and they are completely unique. They have unique different animation styles, they have unique text, they have unique scripts, and they feel like completely different videos, and they don't feel exactly like the original video. So I can take any video and just clone it and make an original video with it. So now with this 3rd video, we used a different link, and then we also changed the voice and we changed the background music. And you can see how different of a video, even though it's from the same exact channel and on the same exact topic, it could be. Now I'm just gonna play a little clip of it.
Ever marveled at viral short-form videos racking up millions of views? Picture yourself on the flip side, creating engaging content.
So you see, it's very different. The other 2 have their own style. This one's not animated. These ones are animated. Now, if I wanted to create a bunch of these videos, now all I need to do is just hit this generate button a bunch of times. I could just go 1, 2, 3, And then I have 3 different generations that are going to pop up. So there's another one that's transcribing the same exact video. I hit generate again. It's going to generate another video again. And then I could hit generate again. And so how could I get 100 plus videos in less than a day that I could post on my channel? Well, I just keep on hitting that generate button after I got my settings, and it's going to give me a completely unique video. If you want to mix it up every once in a while, change the link. But this is going to help you create all these videos super fast. Look, I'm going to hit generate again, and we can queue up to 3 at a time. And then once those 3 are through, you just hit generate 3 more times, and you have 3 more videos automatically generating for you. Then you could use tools like Radar to schedule them out on things like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Then use tools like ManyChat to automate your replies and follow up with your leads. So if you want to create 100 plus YouTube Shorts, IG Reels, Facebook Reels, or TikToks every single day with AI, jump into ShineRanker at shineranker.com and be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell and watch one of these videos next, and I will see you in the next video.